Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot can't see cars coming at him. This truck starts to run a red light, then decides to scooch on through. Merging must be really hard here. This driver had a whole lane to himself to turn first, then merge. Just wish it ended differently, like with a ticket instead of an accident.
A few moments later.
Where did he come from? Unfortunate car caught in the crossfire.
Jesus Christ.
Did he think insurance would believe him by recording? The stink eye from the NPC pedestrian makes this one. Do you know how to use a roundabout? Always watch the cars approaching you in a roundabout. This idiot tries to sideswipe the SUV, then forgets how to use the turn lane. This dude with main character energy cuts off a car off screen and then a dump truck. Where is the cameraman?
Your goal. Nusby looks horrified. Two television hosts cautiously approach him and talk to him like a baby, telling him congratulations.
One eternity later.
Watch until the end. The wheel is still turning, so he's still driving. Just take the left and go straight, bro. That's what I get for letting him go first. I think this belongs here. She almost caused an accident. Why does this idiot run a red light and cut into my lane? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.